hungry caterpillar.
Very good.
The very hungry caterpillar. One day, an egg lay on a leaf. One day, a caterpillar came out of the egg. It was a very hungry caterpillar. It ate through one apple.
On Monday.
On Monday, it ate through one apple. On
Tuesday.
On Tuesday, it ate through 2 pears. On Saturday?
Next day? Monday, Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Good.
On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. On
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
Thursday.
Good.
On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. On
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday?
Friday.
Good.
On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges.
Good.
But he was still hungry.
Good.
So
on Saturday?
Then it was Saturday again. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 piece of cheese, and 1 piece of salami, and ate through a lollipop, and a piece of cherry pie, and 1 cupcake, and 1 piece of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache.
That was an amazing gift.
The next day was, what day was it?
Sunday again.
The next day was Sunday again.
Good.
And then the caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. And then he felt much better.
Good.
Then he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. Then he built something called a cocoon around himself and stayed in there for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
Yay! Very well done, Anna. Can you clap for Anna, Joe? Clap. Yay, Anna! Do some clapping for her?
I think he said, I don't like Anna.
Oh, no. No, no, no. Yeah! Say thank you.